How to transcribe audio in Audiate. First of all, open Audiate and import the audio file you want to transcribe by clicking on the import button or dragging the file directly into the project window. Once your audio is loaded, Audiate will automatically start transcribing the audio into text using its built-in AI transcription engine. The transcription process may take a few moments depending on the length of your video. You will see the text appear in the editor window aligned with the audio waveform below. This makes it easy to follow along and identify specific parts of the recording. Next, review the transcription carefully. Audiate allows you to edit the text directly to correct any errors or misheard words. Simply click on the text you want to change and type your corrections. This is especially useful for improving accuracy in names, technical terms, or unclear speech. You can also navigate through the transcription by clicking on any word, and Audiate will jump to that point in the audio, making it simple to verify and adjust the specific sections. If you want to export the transcription, go to the File menu and select the Export option. Audiate supports exporting your transcript as a text file, which is great for captions, subtitles, or documentation. And that's it. Now you know how to transcribe audio in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.